Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can lock and unlock objects in Adobe Illustrator CC. To lock an object, select your object here, go to Object and press Lock and press Selection. You can also select the object and press Ctrl 2 on your keyboard to lock it in place. Ctrl 2 for a shortcut. And as you can see, if I select all, I can only move the ones that I unlock. To unlock it, just go to Object and press Unlock All, or press Alt Control 2 on your keyboard. So Alt Control 2, and it's going to unlock all of the objects. And that is basically how you can lock and unlock objects on Adobe Illustrator CC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!